we'll guide you through how to install Blender on Linux. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your terminal. You'll need to use the terminal for this installation as it's the most efficient method on Linux. Type in sudo apt update and hit enter to make sure your system's package list is up to date. This step ensures that you get the latest version of Blender. Next, type in sudo apt install Blender and press enter. Your system will prompt you to confirm the installation, so type Y and hit enter again. The package manager will then download and install Blender for you. This process might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, you can launch Blender by simply typing Blender in the terminal and hitting enter. Or you can find it in your Applications menu and open it from there. If you encounter permission issues, make sure your user is part of the sudo group, which grants necessary permissions to install software. If you want to verify the installation, you can check the version by typing Blender version in the terminal. This will display the current version of Blender installed on your system. Remember, keeping Blender updated is crucial for accessing new features and security updates, so occasionally run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to keep your system and applications current. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.